Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with milk. First, gather your essential ingredients for a delicious base. You'll need whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla extract. These components work together to create that rich, creamy texture and wonderful taste we all love in homemade ice cream. It's simpler than you might think. Next, combine your milk, sugar, and flavorings in a saucepan and gently heat them until the sugar fully dissolves. Remove it from the heat, then stir in your heavy cream. This creates a smooth, consistent base. Now, it's crucial to chill this mixture completely, ideally for at least 4 hours, to ensure proper churning later. Once your base is thoroughly chilled, it's time for the magic of churning. Pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and follow its instructions. You'll want to churn it until it reaches a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. This process incorporates air, which is key to achieving that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture we all desire. After churning, your ice cream will be soft. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for several hours, allowing it to firm up completely. Once it's reached your desired firmness, scoop it out and enjoy your delicious, homemade ice cream. It's a truly satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.